Welcome to .com Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add your WhatsApp chat button on. This is my website in Google Sites, and let's say that I want to add my button above this photo. So I will select the section above it and click on yes, image. Click on upload. My bad. I should start with ChatGPT. Okay, I will ask it. Give me WhatsApp button copies. Okay, chat with us on WhatsApp. I will ask it generate or make me a button photo with saying with WhatsApp icon and brand identity. Okay, this is a good photo. As you see, the photo uses a white background. So okay, let's first show you the result. Upload. This is the button. As you see, the button, this is how the button looks like. I will center it like this, then select the button, then click on this insert link icon, and here you should add your WhatsApp link. How to create or how to get a WhatsApp link? This is an official how to use click to chat. Just search this on Google and add WhatsApp. You will land on this result. Click on it. You can create you can see examples of link that you can use. Here, if you read this article, you will understand how to create links, WhatsApp links. If you don't want to read this part, just go search, for example, for WhatsApp button or link generator. I think this is a good website. You can create a free WhatsApp link, get a branded WhatsApp link, open. I'm looking to create a link. Fill in your phone number here. Let's say that this is my number. You can add an emoji, a custom message here. For example, I want your help, please. You can preview it. This is how it looks like. I want you to help me, please. Open up, continue on WhatsApp. Now let's generate the link, and this is the link to copy. Let's compare it to the official WhatsApp link. Okay, it does not use the official site official short link. The official one is wa.me. This one is wa.link. Okay, this is a preference. You can either go with the official link or this one from this service. Let's add this shortened link here. Click on apply. Don't forget to publish again. And let's view the WhatsApp button live. And this is how it looks like. When you click on it, it opens a new page. I think it takes, or this service takes a longer time to open this page. So what I recommend you to go is to create a an official WhatsApp link, which is this one. Okay, I will select this photo again, click on insert, delete the old link and paste this new link. Click on apply, publish again, and let's view the published site. Now when you click on this, as you see, there is a big difference. The old one, I think but I recommend you to go with the official link. It is better, more secured and faster, and may be faster. Okay, if you want this button to be to does not you if you want to delete the background, the white background around this button, it's simple. Go to this website called photop.com, then add your download your ChatGPT button, select this tool, click on the white space, hit delete. Let's delete this part, or let's skip it, it's a shadow. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Select this tool, click on the white space, hit delete. Let's delete this part, or let's skip it, it's a shadow. Then go to file, export as PNG. Make sure to go with PNG. I think I need to resize it first. Let's resize it this way, the sites. Now click on export as PNG. You can adjust the quality and file size as you see here. Click on save. Return to ChatGPT, to Google Sites. Let's add a new photo instead of replacing the old one. This is the updated one. And as you see, now I can resize it like this. Same thing, click on add your link here, apply. Let's center it. Hit publish again. And let's view the new button. As you see, this one takes a bigger space, this one is a little compact. And this is how to add a WhatsApp chat button, link in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.